So this is Creo Parametric 2.0 or 3.0. They both are like same. 3.0 is an advanced version of 2.0. So there will not be a big problem for you for training, huh? Let's start here.
Right.
First of all, we are going to the file menu here. File menu, we have new, open, save as, print, close options, right? First of all, we
Yeah.
need to start on new file. Here we have the dialog box which is showing us the modules. One module is layout, second is sketch, part, assembly, manufacturing, and many more, right? First of all, we need to switch on start sketch. Starting a sketch. In sketch we have the name file, right? Defaulted name file is S2D0001. We have to rename it. First of all, we are providing the name SKT, whatever we want, huh? The name we can define.
Yep.
And this is unitless. The important thing is this is unitless. It is no having millimeter, feet, inches, and anything. Click
Yeah.
OK. This is our first day training. Here you can see we can work on. In day one, we are doing here an introduction and understanding to Creo parametric concepts, selecting and editing of geometry feature model, creating and using Sketcher geometry tools. We are working on Sketcher modules for making some 3D models. And second one, this is the model overview, what we are doing in Creo Elements Sketcher module. Second one is Creo Parametric Basic Modeling Process. This is a basic modeling process, how to create a model, right? So the basic modeling process can be summarized in 4 high-level steps: preparing for part model design, create a new part model, then making an assembly, and then making a drawing, right? So initiate we'll
Yes.
do from Sketcher, then again we are going for modeling, then again we are going for assembly, and the same model is being utilized for all the processes.
Yep.
And here you can see preparing for part modeling design. These are the same few examples, creating a new part models. Here we are doing assemblies in part modeling. See here, constraining. This is a sketcher model of Creo elements. This is sketcher menu bar. First of all, we are just making an introduction. This is a title bar in where you will see the file name and software name. Parametric 3.0 and file name is SKT1. Active file, and here you can see the new, open, save as, undo, redo, and file browsers, right? And this is close button. Here you can see file menu, and here you will see select working directory. First of all, you need to select the directory first. Click here and make a directory. New folder, file name, directory 1. Here you cannot define a space. You will have to give underscore. Done and OK. Now all the files will be automatically saved to that folder only. If you are saving this file will go on directory 1, right? And saved.
Okay.
This is the first step to save the file at the particular desired location. We cannot give the dimensions here. Now start here. There are 2 windows simultaneously opened, so we are closing them. Now here you can see here, this is a menu bar: sketch, analysis, tools, view. On sketch we are going to the tabs. These are the tabs: setup tab, get data, operations, datum, sketching, editing, constraints, dimensions, inspections, right?
Yep.
So first of all, we are choosing here the datum centerline. This is a prior feature. First of all, choose this line and make a vertical center line, then horizontal center line. Press center bar to exit. If you want to take some command, click the left click from the mouse button, take the feature. Then if you want to exit, press enter ball once. But you are still in the
Sorry,
command.
press what? You said press what once?
Press only once, center ball of the mouse.
Oh, only once. Okay. Okay.
But if you are pressing it twice, you will be exit from the command. Like this.
Okay.
Take the command once.
You press the center middle button once.
Middle
Okay.
button once, yeah.
Yeah.
Took the command, click the line. If you are having the line, click once again. Now you want to exit from the command, press double click twice,
Yep.
That's all. It's a parametric software.
Okay.
Dimension relationship will be creating automatically. See here, these are Centerline, geometry Centerline. First of all, you had to take it. Then start from the sketching workbench. Here is the sketching toolbars, right? First of all, just listen me. Sketch module is consisting of 3 topics. First of all, one is profiles, means in which we are creating lines, polylines, circles, rectangles, ellipse. These are the just shapes. If we are engineer, we are designer, we are just observing the shapes. We don't concern about the utility of the object. Whatever we are watching around us, anything, these are like shape for us, right? If we are creating a CPU, if you are creating a keyboard, so first of all we just need to think that this is a shape only. Which kind of shape it is? Is it rectangle? Is it ellipse? Is it circular? And after that we are making modifications, right? In modifications we have tool, modify tools, mirror tool, divide, corner, rotate. These are the editing toolbars. Means we are creating some rectangles here, just like here. See, we are creating rectangle. Now we are making some editing. How? We are applying here some fillet option, 1, 2, then providing a size, 2M size we have defined. So this is the editing part. We are here applying fillets, providing dimensions. Now you can see here dimension is very much, so we are making it less. Clear? So this is the editing part.
Yes.
If you want to make some other changes, so just click the lines. Okay, done, done, done. We want to trim them, so we can trim them as well. Delete segment is a feature which is called trim again. Okay, done. Now this is the feature. If the feature is closed, it will be shaded.
Okay.
Shaded closed loops, right? If this option is chosen, then you can use that. See, this is shaded model, this is unshaded model. If the model is opened from anywhere, it will show you the dark points.
Okay.
These showing you open segments. We are making it close. Now it is closed item, right? Now see here, next operation. We are panning it with the help of middle button of the mouse. We are pressing it, we are panning it. Panning is making changes in screen only. We are just manipulating a screen. We are not making any kind of move. If 2 components are here, here is a circle which is having a distance of 4.50, right? So if we are panning here, it will not make changes in distances, right? You want to make it zoom in, zoom out, then press center ball press, and then it will be zooming, zoom out, zoom in, zoom out. Here either you can do one thing, press middle button and press control simultaneous, then it will be working on zoom in, zoom out.
Okay.
You want to make it delete, select all with pressing left button and it will become in green color, then delete. Delete button is on keyboard. It has been deleted.
Okay.
Control Z, undo, Control Y, redo. All these things you know very well, no? Control Z, Control Y, Control N, Control O, open, Control S, save, Control C, copy, Control X, cut, and all things. These are all like similar like
Okay.
MS Word.
Oh, okay.
We are selecting this element and delete. We can also delete this also. Now centerline. This is horizontal, this is vertical. If it is horizontal, either vertical, it cannot be moved. First option is line. Line command means line chain. Create a chain of 2-point line. 1, second, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now see here, if we are exiting from the command with the pressing double button, middle button twice, it will show you all the dimensions parametrically, and all these dimensions are related with the origin. This is the origin feature where x and y are 0, right?
Mm-hmm.
See, this is the aligned line. We want to make the size. Here the dimension option, dimensions. Press normal button and give alternate dimensions.
Mm-hmm.
20 we want, so we have pressed the size 20. All the other dimensions which are not necessary will removed automatically.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
If it is horizontal, it will not get moved, but it will be rotated. See,
Mm-hmm. Right.
this cannot be moved.
So it's already a
Here,
constraint, right? Horizontal or vertical is a constraint.
constraining.
Yeah.
We are deleting H. Now it has been non-constraint. So constraining is very necessary. There are two sort of constraining: dimension constraint and your geometrical constraints, right? Geometrical and
Yep.
dimensional constraints. We are creating here some rectangle, size automatically comes. We want to define here, we can press normal command, which is showing you dimensions. See this point, it will show you collinear option. Collinear. We are dragging it, they
Mm-hmm.
both are on the same planar. We are breaking the relationship between them, it will come separately, right?
Mm-hmm. Okay.
You want to show the size from top side, press this and this, then center ball. Provide the size 5 millimeter. Second, press here, double click, 5 we have defined, but I want to specify the distance from center to center circle. So provide from here 1, 2,
Mm-hmm.
center ball. Now this is the size which is 6, we are defining here 5. Now the size has been mentioned from here. Any doubts here? So additional dimension if we want, so we can provide from here, which is create dimension that references sketched or reference entities. And second option is, this is called constraints, geometrical constraints, right?
Yep.
This is a line command, and but this is not horizontal, this is not vertical. So here specify which is vertical constraint. Click
Mm-hmm.
click the item, then it will become in vertical mode. But the size was non-defined now, that was weak dimensions. So that is why it has been changed. We have two dimensions here all the times. The dimensions which are coming automatically, these are weak dimensions. And the dimensions which we are applying from here, normal option, these will be strong dimensions. So you see here, this is the weak dimensions. It is showing you SD74 equal to 1.76 weak. SD74 is a
Mm-hmm.
value name. and this is a number name 1.76, and this is a weak dimension. We are pressing double click here, we are providing 2. Now this is a strong dimension. Any doubts here?
Okay.
Yes. Now see here, this is a parallel option, parallelism. Click on this command, click 2 items, 1, 2. Which one is strong? The vertical dimension was strong, now first line was strong, this one. So that is why it has changed itself with respect to this line. We are making a line here, providing the dimension which is angle dimension 45 degree, and the distance we are specifying here is 5. So provide here any other line, and now make the relationship parallel option, choose 1, 2. Now it will come at the same angle, right? This is the parallel option. You can see here parallel 1, parallel 2. Here is the distance between them. You can specify the distance. You can manage the distance between them as well. And the size, it has also not been specified yet. So provide the size. We are providing the size here, but before that we have to delete this dimension, right? Because this is perpendicular, this is hypotenuse, and this was base. Base has not been specified, and this was your perpendicular dimension. So this has to be deleted. Now dimension can be specified here. We are specifying 10 dimensions here. So we want to make them equal. So choose a feature here which is equal option. Equal the length, equal radius, equal dimensions, or same curvature constraint. Click this option, 1, 2. Now the two lines are of same size. You can see here the constraint name L1, L1. L1 stands for length 1. So they both have the same size. If it is showing you during creation of the circle R at 2 points, 1 and here is 2 point.